Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by opening the Apple menu and choosing System Settings. Once there, go straight to Battery. You do this because Mac OS surfaces the battery summary and health info here. Make sure to note your Mac model and Mac OS version so you interpret thresholds correctly. Once done, click the Battery Health button or Battery Health to reveal maximum capacity, condition, and optimization settings. These are the immediate metrics you'll use to assess if the battery is aging or functioning normally. You now read the key numbers. Maximum capacity percent and peak performance capability explain how much charge the battery holds compared to new and whether performance is limited. Next, open About This Mac, click System Report, and choose Power to find the cycle count. This tells you where relative to the rated cycle life, often 1,000 cycles on MacBook Pros. Once you have both numbers, compare them. Under about 80% or a cycle count near the rated limit means replacement or service is likely warranted. Finish by verifying the readings with a quick diagnostics check. Restart and hold D to run Apple Diagnostics or boot into safe mode to rule out software reporting errors. If you see odd values, reset the SMC on Intel Macs. On Apple Silicon, simply restart and recheck because firmware handling differs. Make sure to capture screenshots of battery health and system report. If numbers remain concerning, low capacity, abnormal cycle count, or service recommended, contact Apple support or an authorized service provider with your serial and screenshots.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.